Hi everyone, this is BooredFemme, and today I wanted to talk about the weekend box. During the week, I'm not sure about you, but I've had a couple of really horrendous weeks here and there, and last week was one of them. It was just awful. Everything that could go wrong did go wrong, and then all of a sudden the weekend box arrives. Are you kidding me? I completely forgot, and it was a good thing I forgot because it was such a welcome surprise. And then on top of it, I get a lovely card that says, "You are one badass female." I already told Krista, you really just totally perked me up. This is exactly what I needed to lift my spirits. So what do we have here? The weekend box, you can see the little leaf there, obviously, and then it says weekend box and weekend box MJ. This is CBD. So these are CBD products in a handy dandy box. So no cannabis though. So it's cannabis free, THC free. So this can ship worldwide. Okay. So this is a pretty hefty box. New year, new you. Okay. Don't you love that? It's the January Pain Relief Wellness Box. Love it already. Okay, so there's our hefty little box. Now what do we have inside for goodies? I already had people trying to claim the goodies. Friends claim some of these products, that is. So here you go. Nice little intro. The best our cannabis community has to offer, but again, without the THC. A handy guide here that tells you exactly what's in the box, but also tells you like some of the physical benefits. It is not getting you high. This is for pain relief. So it tells you, a little bit about each of the products, which are exclusively in the weekend box, and, a little bit about the company as well. So definitely check out each of the companies on social media. And obviously check out their social media, and you can win all kinds of swag. The first things that caught my eye were the Bella products. If you take a look here, their social media is Celebrate Bella, I believe Celebrate_Bella, and these are different creams, different bath products. This is a bath bomb. So this is a bath bomb for you to relax and take care of all those aches and pains. This is perfect timing, by the way. I mean, I have friends and family members who get CBD products from various sources for pain relief. And I'm about to probably check out some of these and see if some of these would be perfect for my dad as far as his pain relief. So here are the Bella Stress Dissolve Salts, and I know who these are going to. These are going to Thunder E because he's always injured and he's a hurting unit right now, so he needs these. Then we have the Crema Elegante, the topical cream. So again, great for your skin, but also for pain management. Then we have, and I love the whole fun stickers here. We have the Caviar Gold and Caviar Gold sticker, and then the Silver Tea. So Cavity, this is a CBD tea, and it gives you instructions on how long to steep for the best strength. And then you have a fun little lip balm with the Weekend Box logo, and some Weekend Box stickers. There's one disposable pen. This is a CBD pen, Select Focus, and this is peppermint flavored. Let's open this up. What is very helpful is it shows on the back that there is no THC, CBD only, and it's a handy little disposable pen. About 150 uses, 150 draws, and obviously it depends on your own pain management and your own, how you digest these and how you internalize and it affects your body. Sorry to ramble there. And then glacé. I have a friend tried to take one of these the other day, and I said, wait a minute. I need to actually, show everybody the box and show everyone first. Then you can have some. So these are, let's see if I can open this. Yes, these are extremely yummy looking bonbons, chocolate bonbons that are CBD. So there are two of these inside of the January weekend box. See, look at me, I'm talking about hubby boxes. So you can tell that I love goodie boxes here. And this just made me so excited. I mean, I think that the box itself is about $99, and look at all the product you get. So this is beyond worth your money. And again, if you need a little bit more information, the guide can give you some insight and gives you, different sites to check out as far as the various companies and products. And I believe, again, that they are exclusively in the weekend box. So again, what a fabulous idea. I know plenty of people who are going to need to try these, so I can't wait to get their feedback on each of the products. So enjoy your weekend, people. It's all about taking care of yourself. BooredFemme signing off.